Alright guys, it is about 12 in the morning, or like 12:30 or 12:45 right now. And we're just hanging out at a party actually with some friends. There's a purple truck in town. He's a Chevy Love. It's set up real well. It's a pretty nasty truck. And he's been messaging me all day, hey, let's race. Or some of his friends or whatever, they're like, hey, let's race for some money today. I said, you know what? The truck's not even running right. I told him it's broken down because the transmission is slipping. But they just kept messaging me. I got him a race with the Lightning, with the Turbo Lightning in town, and they didn't agree on anything because the Turbo Lightning wants a quarter, they wanted an eighth. So they kept messaging me, hey, let's race, this and that. And I told them, I'll do a quarter right now. So basically we were in a different city. We were in Rio Rancho. For those of you guys that aren't local, we were in Rio Rancho. I said, you know what, if you guys do a quarter, we'll do it right now. I got $200, that's all I got. So they said, all right, meet us at a spot. We'll do $200 for a quarter right now. I came, I took the truck off the jack stands. It's still on a fucked up transmission. So we're gonna go run these guys for $200. Let's see how it goes. It's a pretty nasty truck though. It should be a good race. He's got a nasty 60 foot and it's set up for an eighth, but we'll see how it goes.
A la verga. Papis, fuck yeah. Ay, güey. 20s.
Can we shut off the switch?
Yeah, please. Woo! Hell yeah! We barely got it, guys. it was a hell of a race, and it was kind of a mess for both trucks. I mean, obviously I got the slipping transmission, and I'd say a little bit past the 8th, probably around the 1,000 foot. I got my alligator tummy boots on, that wood bottom. My foot actually slipped off the gas, so you can hear it in the video when my foot just comes off, and I just basically let out, barely got back into it, got him by a fender, and I think he either couldn't get into 3rd gear or he got all the way into 3rd gear, so it brought him down a lot. So it was kind of a mess for both of us. I just happened to get the winning mess. It's a hell of a truck, it's a hell of a race, and if both trucks were running perfect, it'd be a hell of a race. Definitely gonna have to set something up when we get our stuff together. Thank you guys for watching. Se la lavan.